Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and I am Jagdeep Rosario. Today's topic is BODMAS rule. It is an interesting topic. BODMAS, B-O-D-M-A-S. B stands for brackets, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. First we have to solve line bracket. Next we have to solve round bracket. After that we have to solve curly bracket or braces. Next we have to solve square bracket. I have taken one example and 10 of 2 it has been written. Its meaning is 10 into 2. Right? Now let us solve the problem. First what we have to do? First we have to convert 10 of 2 and we have to write it to 10 into 2 and let us solve the line bracket first. Okay? Is equal to 10 into 2. We will write the bracket as it is. Okay? 1 plus 6. 5 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 6 divided by. Now this is the line bracket. We have to remove it. To remove it, we have to perform the operation here. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6. Now we have to remove the line bracket. Next, we have to solve round bracket. Okay? Now we will write as it is 10 into 2 plus 1 plus 6, 5 into 2 minus 4 plus. Now here is the round bracket. In the round bracket, which operation we have to perform first? In a series we have to perform first division operation. Okay? We will write 3 as it is. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Okay? Now this is equal to 10 into 2 plus 1 plus 6, 5 into 2 minus 4 plus. Now we will remove this bracket. 3 into 1 is 3. Next we have to solve curly bracket. Okay? This we have to solve next. We will write as it is 10 into 2 plus 1 plus 6. Okay? In curly bracket, which operation we have to perform first? DMAS, we have to follow the rule. Okay? Here only plus, minus and multiplication is there. That means we have to do find multiplication. Okay? 5 to 2 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. This equal to, now we will remove this. Okay? 10 into 2 plus, this means that wherever the bracket is there and outside any number is given, this indicates itself that the multiplication sign. Okay? 1 plus 6 into 9. This is equal to 10 into 2 plus, now we will remove the square bracket. First, which operation we have to perform? We have to perform multiplication operation. Okay? Then that means 6 into 9, 54. Plus 1 is 55. So that this also we have removed. This is equal to, here first we have to perform multiplication operation, because here only plus and multiplication signs are there. So that 10 into 2, 20 plus 55. This is equal to 20 plus 55 is equal to 75. 75 is your answer. Now let us take one more example. Here I have taken all types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions, and all types of brackets, so that you can solve problems in fractions very easily. Okay, now let us start. The first step is we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, and we have to write multiplication sign wherever there is off. Now we will do 3 4 the 12 plus 1 13. This is equal to 13 divided by 2 13 divided by 4 plus square bracket half of 2. How will write this? 1 by 2 into 2 minus, this is also mixed fraction. We will convert this into improper fraction. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 divided by 2. Round bracket. We will write as it is. Okay. Now, first we have to solve line bracket. Remaining things we will write as it is. This is equal to 13 divided by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 7 by 2. Now we will solve line bracket. Here multiplication sign, so that 3 1 are 3, 3 2s are 6, or you can directly make it 3 1 are 3, 3 1 are 3, so that what remained? 1 by 2 remained, divided by 1 divided by 3. Okay. Next, which bracket we have to solve? Round bracket. This is equal to 13 divided by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 7 by 2. Now we will remove this. To remove this bracket, 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. We have to convert this into reciprocal. 1 by 2 and write multiplication sign, and this should be 1 by 3 should be reciprocal. 3 by 1. Okay? We will write as it is. Next step is, here we have to remove this bracket completely. This is equal to 13 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 7 by 2. We will solve this one. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2. So that here no sign is there means it is understood that it is multiplication sign. Into 3 divided by 2. Now we have removed round bracket. Next we have to remove curly bracket. This is equal to 13 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus. Here we will solve this problem. Okay. 7 3s are 21 by 4. Okay. Yeah. Plus 7 by 3. Now we have to remove square bracket. This equal to 13 by 4 plus, here first which operation we have to perform? Multiplication. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 will go. Into 2 means divided by 1. Okay. So that this will become 1 minus 21 divided by 4 plus 7 by 3. This is plus 7 by 3. Now denominators are different. Let us find the LCM of 1, 4 and 3. See, now LCM is 12. For 4, how many times we have to multiply to get 12? 4 3s are 12. So that 13 into 3 divided by 12 plus 1, how many times we have to multiply to get 12? 12 ones are 12. Okay. 1 into 12 divided by 12 minus, how many times 4 to get 12? 4 3s are 12. So that 21 into 3 we will get 12 plus 3 4 the 12. So that 7 into 4 we will get 12. That means we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. This equal to 13 into 3 is a 39 plus 12 ones are 12 minus 21 3s are 63 plus 7 4 the 28 and denominator is 12. Now we will solve the numerator. 39 plus 12, 51, 51 plus 28, 79. This is equal to 79 minus 63 by 12. Okay. This is equal to 79 minus 63 is 16 by 12. Now we will simplify this. This equal to 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 is equal to 4 by 3 is your answer in improper fraction, and in mixed fraction 3 1s are 3, 1 is the remainder and by 3. This is your answer in mixed fraction. I feel you have understood the concept of BODMAS rule. If any doubt, please comment so that I can reply. Now I will wrap up my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get notifications of my new videos. Thank you for watching once again.